Hey guys, my name is Autumn Rhodes and I'm going to be your instructor for Accounting 1010 online learning. So I just kind of wanted to introduce myself, kind of give you an overview of who I am, and just kind of put a face with the person that's going to be grading your assignments and leading the learning this in the next 8 weeks, I guess. So once again, my name is Autumn Rhodes. I live in Kalkaska, Michigan. I am married to a wonderful guy named Josh, and we have two great daughters, Natalie and Hannah. One's a senior in high school and one is in college. We also have a really great dog. Her name is Liberty. She's an English Mastiff. So, a little bit about my history here. I've been working with Baker here since the fall of 2016, teaching accounting. So I mainly teach Accounting 1010 and 1020. I could teach some other courses, but I like teaching accounting. I work in accounting, so my role right now is I'm a financial administrator for American Waste. And so I oversee the accounting for the company, and I've been in accounting for quite some time in multiple roles. So I've been in accounts payable, I've been in accounts receivable, I've been in the payroll side of it. I've done pretty much everything: financial statements, journal entries, the whole 9 yards. I've got a lot of real experience to share. So just kind of wanted to give you that overview. I have a bachelor's degree in accounting, and I've got my master's degree in business administration with an accounting specialty. So I really enjoy the managerial side of accounting. I really enjoy numbers. I think accounting is fun. I know that's not a word many people would use for accounting. It's kind of a dry subject, but it is fun. It is exciting to see a company, the numbers and presenting all the data. It's very exciting. So one thing I want you to know, though, as I'm welcoming you to class here, and I'm going to share my knowledge, I'm going to share my real life experience. I hope you share your knowledge and your real life experience too, and you just enjoy the class. There's a lot to learn here, and it's also, it can be challenging, but I don't want you to be overwhelmed. You can contact me at any time. I'm glad to help. Just email me, send a message, whatever you've got. I'm here for you. I'm glad to help. So one thing though I wanted you to know is that accounting, we are, if you were in my on-campus class at Baker, you would get to see this too. So I'm going to show you, but as an accounting person, we are considered bean counters. So if you were on campus, I would be bringing these jelly beans so that you could see them, because everything you need to know about accounting is in this jar of beans. So what do I mean by that? Well, in accounting, there are several different industries. There are several different types of accounting, from retail accounting, merchandise accounting, wholesale accounting. There's a government accounting. There's different type of accounting boards. We're going to talk about some of those different principles. Basically 1 + 1 does equal 2, but everything you need to know is right here. So I encourage you to just, when you think about accounting, don't get overwhelmed. Think about these beans. Think about everything in this world is accounted for. Everything that we do is accounted for. You know, if you were to go to the grocery store, there was an accounting transaction that happened when you went to that grocery store. Probably multiple accounting transactions if you really think about it. From getting in your car and driving there, that's gas that you're using, accounting transactions. Your car is depreciating, that's an accounting transaction. You actually get to the store and you're buying something, there's accounting transactions there. How do I know? Well, there's labor there, so right there's an accounting transaction. Somebody rang up your bill for you, right? Even if you went through the self-checkout, there's an accounting transaction. So as you're buying things, inventory is coming off the shelf, that's an accounting transaction. So when I think about accounting, think fun, think everything, look around you, it's an accounting transaction. So that may help take some of the learning from, you know, it can get complicated with balance sheets and income statements and trial balances and journal entries and all these different things that you're going to be learning. But just keep in mind that everything in life is an accounting transaction. And so we're going to basically in this course learn about those different transactions, learn about the different governing boards, learn about the accounting cycle, learn about various things. And we're basically going to take that information and we're going to put it on paper. We're going to put it into a spreadsheet. We're going to do problems to learn. We're going to go through the process. So I'm a bean counter, and everything I need to know is in this jar of beans. And I want to welcome you to Accounting 1010. Have a great class with me the next 8 weeks. Again, if you need anything, just reach out. Thanks.